Clark's walk, take one. First thing, bow-legged. You have a contract at the waist.
So
Have a seat over your saying it's a slow, smooth step. When you stop, 1 foot off in front. Preferably the one that is rolled up. Saying, first walk. That means you just arrive at the dance and you want everybody see you. Now the next walk is when you're going to the bar. Saying, you don't enter the dance and everybody see you. They have to give them a different walk. Upright. Third position stance in dance. Tilting to the right. Quick step. Always back in third position. And this third position, it's not third position parallel, it must be third position turned up. Quick step.
Is there one when you get the drink?
Remember this, when you have on your Clarks, you must roll out your weed. And your Heineken or your Guinness must be under your arm. Bow-legged.
Position number 1.
Hear me now. When you're wearing Clarks, no smile. Bad man face all the time. Now if you're in the dance and you don't really have no weed but you want to fake it, you can't keep rolling all the time. I remember saying your weed have to have seed. So watch me. So, that was the last time. Bad man face, see? Remember if you ever like a poke that lip. 2 finger hold the liquor. I remember the seed. Usually, if you see a little girl where you like, you have to go over, touch her, come back to your spot, and call her. No man, this is the Clarks thing. You have to come back. Alright. You see this space is my sanctuary. I'm coming and hold it. So everything I do have to come back from here. So I see the catty and I like the catty. So I'm going to move to her. I have to touch her, come back into the space and call her.
Position.